If you want to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel in 2019, then this is going to be a really important video you're going to want to watch, and here's why. I don't need to tell you just how competitive YouTube is, how saturated the marketplace is, no matter what niche you're in. It's really, really challenging today in 2019 to publish a video that drives exceptional views and ultimately gains your channel success. And I want to definitely acknowledge and thank you for that. More on that in a bit, but for now, how can you move forward and get tremendous results to start really growing here on this platform? The fact of the matter is this. Listen, if you want to grow on YouTube, you've got to stop thinking about these videos as tips. Tips are not what you want. Tips will not get you the results that you're after. If you watch a video and then you go make your own video, you've got to develop skills. After all, it's skills that really separate those that have from those that have not. Do this. I want to let you know, tomorrow I'm launching a very special video. This particular video is going to break down the 12 most important things to your success here on this platform. The fact of the matter is it's completely overwhelming. There are so many things to learn. And if you don't focus on not just tips and watching a video and then making your own thing, if you don't focus on gaining the skills needed, well, then you will struggle here on this platform. That's why I wanted to make this video. If you want different results than you're getting right now, you've got to do things differently. You've got to make different videos, better videos, and the way to do that is to achieve and obtain the skills necessary. So tomorrow I've got a video going live, and the thumbnail is going to kind of look similar to this one. So what you want to do is watch that video and in its entirety, because I've got the 12 most important things, skills that you need to develop in order to succeed. I'll be honest with you, for me, my joy is watching those around me course forward and get tremendous results on this platform. I want to see you succeed, and I know this video can help you do it. Now let's talk about that. It's absolutely incredible, and I want to thank you so much. And while 60,000 subscribers is really great, the thing that's amazing is how much faster I'm growing, how many more views my videos are driving. And how did I do that? By focusing on the 12 skills that I'm going to cover in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for 60,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for continuing on this platform and believing you can do it. Do this. If it's after March 5th, that video that I'm talking about is right there. And if it's before March 5th, that video right there can help you get lots more views right now. I'll see you tomorrow. You dig?